Stand by now for dispatch. Gates open, dead up and racing. Explosivo draws for your lead. Moving up by the rail is Jacqueline's Diamond. Then followed in between runners by Extraordinary. Moving up on the outside, Classic Play. Eloquence running by the rail. Then running in between runners, Wildstorm. And moving up is Camela Bang as they race towards the last 800. This one, Jacqueline's Diamond, highballing in front by about 2 lengths. Extraordinary in second. Then moving up on the outside, Explosivo. Eloquence now racing in fourth. Down in fifth, in between runners, Wildstorm, and on the outside, Camela Bang. Moving up is Classic Play as they rounded the last 450. 2 runners now parting it out for the lead. Extraordinary takes the lead by the rail, and on the outside, Jacqueline's Diamond is sneaking in down on the inside. Eloquence, and down the stretch they come. Extraordinary. Eloquence moving up by the rail to take the lead. Eloquence now takes up the running by the rail, and Extraordinary on the outside with 75 meters of the race. Eloquence winning race number 4 over Extraordinary. Wildstorm. Then comes Classic Play to fourth. Jacqueline's Diamond for your Pentafecta, Explosivo, Camela Bang, and Poker Chip.
Isang special na araw ang Philtobo Grand Championship Series, Series 12. Yan, ikalabing 2 taon na. At napakaganda sapagkat ang mag-a-award matagal nang kasama ng Philtobo. Ang ating direktor, si Ginoong Albert Yam, kasama din po naman ayan, si Ginoong John Lagasca, isa po sa mga direktor natin. Of course, ang mga nagagandahang muses natin na kakaway sa inyo, si Miss Rohama, yan, Miss Abigail, wala yata si Miss Abigail, Miss Joyce at Miss Rose. Sahara ang nandito. So anyway mga kaibigan, let's call on the winner. Ang nanalo po kanina, ang kabayong si Eloquence ni Mr. Felipe Vergara. Ang tatanggap po ng tropeo ay si Ginoong Raimundo Mongaya. Ayan. Congratulations. Ang kabayong ito, si Eloquence, ay anak ng istalyong si Sail Away na nakatayo po naman sa rancho ngayon ni Mayor Benhar Abalos. Congratulations for Race 4, Manila Insurance Philtobo Race. Ang sponsor po natin, Manila Insurance. Parating pa lang po, so mamaya makikilala natin siya sapagkat medyo na traffic on the way po dito sa ating pista. Maraming salamat, magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na karera.